Hey guys, what's going on, man? I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I have no idea, but it's all good. I really just want to show what I got. Well, whatever. Get all the hardware out. So these are those Perrin side shroud things that go right here on the car. Here's one, here's two. I think they, they look pretty good, you know. Let's take one out of the wrapper here. Let's see what we're looking at. Yeah, see, they look pretty cool. They say Perrin on them. Yeah, so, I guess this one goes on this side. Or maybe they go like this. I don't know. Let's look at the directions. Figured I could figure it out without. But, guess I'm gonna have to. Well, let me open up the other box. I got two boxes, so let's see what's in this box. License plate cover. I got like 5 of those things. Don't need no more of that. Here, oh, Radiator shroud. What are these called? Fender Shrouds. Radiator shroud. Okay. So this one comes in 2 pieces for the radiator. Oh, they look pretty good, you know. Probably gonna look better when it's on the can. But yeah, got some more stuff in for the WRX. I'm super stoked about it. I've been waiting on it for like flipping 5 days now. So let's start out with the Fender Shrouds. Blah, blah, blah. Take my trusty scissors here. And we are going to see how these suckers go on there. Okay. Yeah, I already did all that. Remove all that. Blah, blah, blah. More Perrin stickers. I got a crap ton of those. Warranty. Who cares about that? I was hoping it'd show me line up the rectangle on the fitting, triangle on the shroud. Well, it doesn't show you nothing. I need pictures. But I guess these go on here. Oh, I see. Maybe they go like this. Yep, that's how they go. Cool. Let me show you. So they kind of go like that. You can see it. That's what they go like. So I got them for both sides. And let me zoom that out some. There we go. Got that one for over there, and then for the radiator that goes right here. So moving from the... Let's see if we can get this other one. But they do look good, you know, the quality seems real nice. You know, just another little add-on for the car. I guess we line up them holes with those holes. Line up all the holes with the holes. But that's pretty much what you're going to get as far as the sides, you know. So let's see about the radiator shroud. What's it going to look like? Well, these aren't automatically opened like the last ones. I gotta cut these. Come on, Perrin, making me work harder here, you know? Shabam! Okay, top side is going to be where the emblem is. And this obviously goes around something. Oh, radiator cap. There we go. So this goes like that. Don't need those anymore. And this one doesn't have any kind of Perrin on it like the other side does, but that's alright. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like. Y'all can see, oh shoot, my phone holder isn't working all that great today. So, there you go. Now, I haven't done any of the hardware yet or anything. I'm just kind of showing like what it looks like on the vehicle. But it makes it look good, you know. I didn't want to go with black. I mean, maybe I should have. I don't know. But I'll just go with red because that's what I got. But hey, just a little extra piece of flair to match the pulley cover. Let's see, does that one say Perrin on it? No. Oh, it does, but it's covered up by the intake. Well, you can see that one. So that's cool. And then here's this one on the top, the radiator shroud. But yeah, it shouldn't take that long to install. It's only a few bolts. You know, shouldn't be too bad. So let's see. Radiator shroud. Here's the hardware for that one. So it comes with these spacer things, huh? So here's a spacer that it comes with, if y'all can see that. And there's... Oh wait, I don't take off the black, What? I could have sworn it said take it off. Let's reread this here. Oh, well shoot. You gotta put on the black, you just take off the fittings, but you gotta leave on the black factory doodads, whatever these things are. So, I guess I put those back on. That goes on this side. Huh, I'm surprised you leave those on there, but that's alright. Did you say, Alright, step 1. Step 2, place it on top. Oh wait, nope, that's not right. I gotta go put these spacers in there. Alright, so it says remove those things, which I did. Done. Flip the page. Remove the center portion of each plastic fitting. Will require some prying apart of small fingers. Hold them in place. Install supply larger with grooves on side. Threaded push rivet into spacer. Can I push that through all the way? Anyway, it says put these in there, so I'm going to do that. Oh, I see. Now I see what they mean. We gotta take these stupid things out. Then push this through. Then put this in. Okay, it clicked. Okay. So there you go. You got to take these off the factory clicker things. And then you put the spacer they gave you and you put it in the factory clicker thing. Whatever they're called, okay? Whatever they're called, that's what you do. Factory clicker thing. Then they click right in. See, I was thinking you took the whole thing off, but I guess you don't. But see, that's how they go on. You put the factory little round plastic thing and those click right in it. So yeah. I mean, I don't... How the hell's the damn thing stay on there, though? I don't know. Figure it out as I go. Then it says each of these little things they sent us have a square on the top of it, which line up with these squares on here. So they're saying do this right here. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. Yeah, sure. There we go. No, you stupid bolt, don't twist. Oh man, they're twisting as soon as I put pressure on it. I'll fix that. Watch this. Shoot. Cool. All right. All right, supplied washers. Oh, of course it's in a separate stupid bag. Hang on. All right, cool. So they sent us Allen wrench. We got washers and bolts. So let's get them lined up, and there we go. It's kind of tricky because you got to line up these little squares. So what I'm going to do is set that on temp. And that should just screw in like that, and then I'll get the rest on since it's lined up. Perfect. So this is what you end up with. Of course, you got the black washer on top. See these little squares? Now when you're putting pressure on it, now if some of you have an ETS intake, you're going to have to push this fender down on the other side of that intake to where it lines up. But these little silver clippy things they sent us, they kind of turn if you're pushing on it. So you just kind of get them lined up and put them on there. And then what I did is put the middle one on to where it hold it. That way I can get the next ones. So we'll do that again. So washer, screw. Okay, washer, screw. And the next step will be washer, screw. Put that on there like that. Same thing down here. You probably can't see me there, but hey. And after this video is done, I'm going to give you all a bonus and show you what my cell phone holder is. All right, cool. All right, first one is installed. All right, so we do leave the factory black Fender Shroud on there. Okay, so do that. Then you put these clicky things inside the factory clicky things, and then a washer and a screw. So now we'll do the other side. Oh yeah, I gotta take these things out again. And then I need the little clicky things. Then stick those in there. And they click. Then you want to line up your squares. And then where the hell did I put the other fender? Here it is. Now, we're about to be looking good, you know? That's all that matters when you're fixing up a WRX. Alright, where's my screw? And my washer, get one of these started. Looks like this one's going to be the best one to get started. So it just took a little bit of figuring it out, you know? That's about all it was. Really easy to install. It wasn't hard to install at all, to be honest. Like, you just want to make sure. Well, I hope what I showed you helped out. If you guys get them, that way you'll know. But hey, man, we're almost about to go to our Fender Shrouds, so that's what's up. One more washer and one more bolt. Oh, come on. Bam. Make sure everything's nice and tight. There we go. There's that side. If y'all can see it. With the black washers on top. There again, clicky things in the middle. But cool, we got that done. Now we can work on this shroud here. I'm sure concept's kind of the same. I wonder if I gotta put that black thing back on. I probably do. So I'll look here and see. Let's see what they say. Oh, more Perrin stickers. Yep. So I guess I shouldn't have took all this stuff off there. But that's no big deal. You know, no big deal. Now we gotta put our little black clicky things back in. Boy, they don't make it easy to come out, do they? Good God. Why don't you just come out of there? Son of a... The bigger ones aren't as easy. Bam! Dang, dude. Why are these ones so flippin' hard? Good God, these things are so flippin' hard to do. The bigger ones are not easy to do. Not gonna lie. All right. Time to do different game plan here. All right, I just took an Allen wrench and stuck it through, made it a little bit easier. Should have one more of these. Oh, I got a small one there too. Hey, rock, a small one there. Two small ones. Oh, that comes out really easy. One, two, three. Dang, this thing's got some big freaking ones. Look how much bigger these are than the other ones. Snap. snap-a-rooney. Thought I had that over here somewhere. Do I not? Yeah, sure do. Sweet. Three. Damn it. Oh, I could have sworn that came with more than that. Let's see. Oh, upside down. How many do I need for this one? Those two go there and those two go there. All right. And I put another little one in that one just to hold it securely. Maybe I will use one of those. Got some extra of these things. So these go upright. Like so. Oh wait, you probably can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, so same thing as before. Line everything up. And you kind of want to push down on them because those little squares up top, you don't want them to turn underneath. So. Alright, so there's the first half. It's really not hard to do at all, guys. Like, seriously, there's the first half. Right there, if you can see it. Try to get all angles. Of course, I gotta wash off my fingerprints. But yeah. Not too bad! Now, I ordered these the same time I ordered the strut bar for the back. But it just didn't come in at the same time. That's alright. This one goes underneath and this one goes up top. You'll see the grooves here on both pieces. Now, you'll notice there's a groove on that one and there's a groove on this one. So the right way of attack is like that. Well, like that. Like that. But I gotta twist this thing because obviously it doesn't want to stay how I want it to. So I'll probably get that one first and then I'll do these. Washer, screw. Don't drop anything, because in my shop it's really easy to lose stuff, because, you know, how that goes. Cool. All right. Now we got washers and bolts. Only thing about this shroud, I guess, is the down point. You lose your little tool tray that we used to have right here, but it's all good. All right. Stick that washer through there. Now put your finger at the bottom and pray to God you don't lose anything. They gotta line up, otherwise you ain't getting nothing. Once you get one started, you should be all right. Get it started, you should be okay, which I did. And you want to get, you know, the washer on top just like the rest of it. Just get it started. This holds all this tight. Alright, definitely got it started. I just got to find the right size for that. I hope I had that little last dang thing. Look how small that is. But if not, I'll figure out something. Alright, got another washer here. Stick it through that bolt. It's going to be the same thing. Well, let's see. Man, I just don't want to lose that bolt. If I let it go, I'm screwed. Because you know you never see that again. At least get it going, bro. Come on. Alright, I got it going. Now I know I ain't going to lose it, but I'll tighten it down. But this is pretty much the finished product after it's put on the car. We got the Perrin front radiator shroud right here. And then we got the side shrouds, Fender Shrouds, sorry. Now this does get covered up. I wish it didn't, but it does. But you still got it on this side. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. It's just what I got. There we go. So that was the radiator shrouds and Fender Shrouds install video for the 2022 WRX, 2023, and Subaru. But hey, it don't look bad. I like it. I like it. You know, just make sure these things, the little square tops that I showed y'all earlier, stays lined up so that way you can get all this stuff nice and snug. I just got to get a bolt, you know, a wrench, something that's, I hope I have one small enough. I got a few toolboxes, so I'm sure I'll find something. And then I got an extra one of the, I got one of those I'll put in there. But anyway, there you go. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you figured out how to put it on. And hopefully you guys get some for your car too. Well, I hope y'all are doing good and everyone's having a good time and a good day. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. And we'll check out you guys later on. Alright, bye.